Image Powder Yang Bill Sing Wahan Buddha, Tam Commander Tramok Sabalina Kurumjari, Nasigi, Marino Powder, Manipur Yuang with the Su, Newell Sako with Torum Pangkok Nakray, National Press Day 2020 Pangkok Kray, Manipur State Journalist Award 2020 Journalist Nipanda, Natokre, Loidana, Nitish Kumar, Bihar Minister Roina Wasak Lokre. Howsy, Mapunga Pau, Logi the Sea. Manipur Yamatangaraba Maitei Kang Kimarata, Masin Mopa, Oibegi, Nuxinabagi, Tanatana Yadraba Mari Ama Oheliba, Ningon Zako with Toramasi, Manipuramadi Manipurgi, Wang with the Kundariba Maitei, Senior Sing the Supaks and a Pangtong Kray. Ningon Zako with Toramasi, Tripuragi, Maitei Sing the Kundariba, Mapam Kayata Supaks and a Pangtong Kay. Toramasi, Manipur Literary and Cultural Form Tripurana Su Sinduna Pangtoki, Toramadura, Manipuragi Tripura National Electronics College. Agartala Amadi Agartala Leba Hospital Singda Nurse and a Tavak Tonduna Lebi Ningol Kayana Sarugyaki Ningol Singda following Maki the Gingam Zaba Kudol Pot Singso PK Nasin till Pung Amat Rob Taba Matamda Ziribangi Boparada Leba PWD Guest House Manipur Food and Industries Corporation Limited Government of Manipur Vice Chairperson K. Sarat Kumar Singhana Ningol Saku Thorum Lakpasida Mabung Mopa Sing Amadi Mama Mapa Oibisinga Unabagi Yamna Fazakrava Culture Sigi Manipur Amadi Manipurgi Wang with the Laiba Jati Punamaki Mapamda Yapa Pauzil Pijari Haibagalunana Polling Station Nipuromda Health Scheme Gi Makada Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Amadi Sim Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengwang Card Sing November Thasida Yentoklagani Loinana Edit School Dagi retired Taroba Waza Kuntra Rom Asida Lupalising Mama Piragani Haina, Nautoki Badu, 100 November, Tasida Piragan Hanasu, Paumising on about them Har Pundoki. Mahatanamar Haikivada, Hakselgi, Karsing, Asi, Yentoknava, Tauda, COVID license number Matamkra, Lebur Basu, Hosik, SOP, Nagna, Karsing, Yentoklagani, Haiki, Londona, Zirbangi, Matanga, Nominini Asida, Tabadun White, Wapamkra, Tengai, Masi, Manipuramadi, Zirbangi, Interesta, Tobidanava, Amadi, Tauribasing, Aduda, Adum Basing, Adu. Taubigono Hainasu, Media Kutanga Pondok City Hainasu Hanga, Fondoki.
Going as in no manida, Quigi, Tabada, Notodaba, Quigi, Nuaitaba, Wapamkara, Quay, Toropatine, Jiribang Venadi, Madukui, Adugumba, Tobagi, Adugumba de Quay, Amnakahena, Notobu upon Quay, I make the thing day, the Moinamak, Madu, Ladamba Taragasu, Taurusing Adu de Quay, Punna, Kanuki interesta, Jiribang interest, some of the Manipur interesta, Maruto Bigano had the printed electronic media Kutanga, a request of jury, Luina Naikoi, Mukana, Ningol Sakubuna Lakpada, Quigi, Ningol Bisingi, Pansida, take the Kaidava, Pansinu Sangba, Pinabu Hadana, had Jiribang Prazamoina, Mabungo Pamoina, Machimane Quigi, Seminem Singda, Luina. Manipur the lady Bharat the lady by Ningol Singi, Yapamongol Pinibu had a sorry from the Kurumjaga.
Malem Gioina Paksana, Sandrotuna Mioikagi Punsi, become Nakraba, Novel coronavirus Gi Gatonava, India government Labak Sinbatuna, Sahi Sigi Hoki Mars Tang Kudmadagi, Tamkiva lockdown number Erga, Matam Sangna Kaitelgi, Satam Uapangudraba, Tawal Kaitel, Kaksin Kaitelgi, Satam Nasi Amasung, Hayang Pangtokadoriba. Maitegi Quaidagi Sauba, Kumai, Ningol Sakubagi Port Lane of Lakpa, Biamna, Mahusam, Crick in the Tanki. Tawal Kaitelgi Oinangarang, Ayuk, Angan Badagi, Nasi Ayuk Power Kaitel, a Sigi man building the Ima Kaitel, Natana Ate, Dukan Punamak Tong Hanaki. Kaksin Kaitelgi Oina, de Popum Yauna Dukan Sing Tong Roina Hanaki, Miamna Su, Kaitel Sing Asida, Tonatuna Magi Port Say Lane Key. Kaitela Potsay Leba, Lakiba, Miamba, Face Mask, Uppa, Amadi, SOP, Magna Setpa, Adobo, social distancing, Wapamdi, ngang na satpadi thoina ukhide lambi sorok tasu maigai kuning maktagi passenger purakpa diesel auto rickshaw amasung Tata Magic yamna sanaba ukhi numidang athengba phawba mahusagum thong hangnaki hairi Manipuri khwaidagi sarwa kumhai ama oiriba ningol sakhobuga mari lenana Manipuri Fishery Department sinuna fish fair cum fish crop competition ngasi Imphal gi mapal kangjebungda pangthokre fish fair cum competition asida nga gi farm toba mioi chama gi mathakta saruk yabaga loinana tongan tongan ba makhal gi nga kg listing mawdra rom yonana gi damak puthokna utkhi thormaduda Education and Fisheries Minister S Rajan Speaker Y Khemsan amadi Imphal West ki DC N Pravinna hodokhi thormduga mari lenana Speaker Y Khemsana wahum kya phongdokhi
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯐꯤꯁꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯔꯥꯖꯦꯟ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯤꯁꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅꯤ
Manipurda haukiba pung kunmari asida general population dagi mioi chamaga humdraga nipan nauna positive oiba thengnabadagi state asigi COVID-19 confirm case lising kunithoi supna nipu mapan sukhre mioi ahumna laikhidabadagi apunba sikhibagi masingna chaniga kunmari amadi mioi chaniga kunthra mapanna discharge tawkhibadagi apunba recover tawkhiba masingna lising taraga nipan chanipan kunthraga nithoi amadi active case na mioi lising aniga Samapan Mauda Humdoi Laiduna, Manipurgi recovery rate Sada Marpumaga, Dasming Nifuda Laire. Nasi Nauna COVID-19 positive oirba miyosing adudi Imphal West District Tagi Humpumapan, Imphal East Tagi Nifuga Taruk, Thawal District Tagi Amadi, Tamelong Dagi, Nipan, Bisnupur Amadi Sandil District Tagi Mapan, Kaksin District Tagi, Taragamapan, Sosrampur District Tagi Taruk, None Dagi, Ani, Tenupal Amadi, Sarapati District Tagi, Amam Tenakivani. Positive oirba punamak akak naba mapan chalubagi history leitaba misam ngaktani makhoi loina covid care facility phanganbaga loinana medical precautionary measures sing lawkhatle nakalamuromda ngasi laikhedraba mioi ahumadu Imphal West tagi sahi 58 amasong sahi maudra suraba amadi Sorsampur dagi sahi 34 suraba mioi singni Department of Information and Public Relations Government of Manipur Sinduna National Press Day 2020 ngasi palan tawkhre Department ki auditorium da pangthok pathram aduda IPR Commissioner M Joina thoi mithung IPR ki Director Haisnam Balkrishna na thormapu oina saruk yabaga loinana Manipur State Journalist Award 2020 su lanthokki ngasi ki thoromda Manipur State Journalist Award 2020 ki mana phanglab sing adudi Best Editor Award ta Sanaleba ki editor Ningombam Hemant Kumar da Science and Technology Reporting da Sanaleba ki Senior Reporter Khagembam Sankar Parliamentary Reporting the Naharol Gitogdangi Sub-Editor Khetri Magazine Reporting with special reference to women and children the Sanalibaki Staff Reporter Ngangom Suresh Kumar Reporting on Art and Culture the Sanalibaki Staff Reporter Maibam Kennedy Rural Reporting the Shanghai Express ki Staff Reporter Sapam Aruna Sports Reporting the Sanalibaki Staff Reporter Khagembam Ravi Kumar Amadi reporting on public health and hygiene da Ponophamgi reporter Angom Ranjita Kusinake. Tharonggi ayuki session rolba matung nungthilgi session da role of media during the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on media haiba theme da Regional Outreach Bureau Imphal gi Head of Office Dr. A Ibomja Sarmana moderator oiduna workshop amasu pangthokki. Haiba workshop aduda All Manipur Working Journalists Union ki members oiriba The People's Chronicle ki sub-editor Salam Singkhainganba Impact TV ki chief editor Yumnam Rupachandra The Cham ki editor amadi Manipur Hill Journalists Union MHJU ki president oiriba Ramkung Pamaina resource person sing oina paper sing pathoki ngasi ki tharomda IPR Commissioner M Joina COVID appropriate behavior niti na ngak na sanaba wasak lahon ki COVID SOP niti jana ngak no pangthok khiba tharamduda DIPR officer amadi staff sing sakna raba state asigi media person sing amadi atai mioi kyasu saruk yakhi tharamgi athoiba mithungi warol perioduna IPR Commissioner M Joina ing lising samapon humbutarukta Press Council of India linkhatkibu ningsingduna ngasigi thoromsi palan tawbagi maruoiba singi matangda phonokhibaga loinana journalist fraternity singna society asidamak masa masana lawdaba thodang ningthina khangbaga loinana society asi sengmutnabagi constructive role lominanaba appeal su tawki
responsibility khangna freedom of speech ki wan tho adu sumna adugi thongna leina ona biga afaba leibaki thogdo wathok kaya ki manung mapa punama singdok bidana achum lambi yagada society su pura mokna bada there is kudimna srup yabiu ona biu hebo wajja no pantas
Ministry of Ayush Government of India ki makhada lairiba National Institute of Naturopathy Pune ki miyeng makhada Nature Cure and Yoga Hospital Kongba Khetri laikai na sinduna numit humni subna sathagadaba 3rd Naturopathy Day 2020 ki thoram ama ngasi Imphal East District ki manungchana leiba Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibigi sanglenda hodokre ahumlak suba Naturopathy Day 2020 hodopagi thoram aduda Modern College ki Associate Professor Dr. Songtham Ritana athoiba mithunglen retired SP CID CB and MSc Yoga Manipur University na thoram mapu amade Kangpokpi District ki SDC Pangam Ibohol na akhanaba mithunglen oina saruk yake ngasi thoram adugi nungi oiba warol thamladuna Nature Cure and Yoga Hospital Secretary Dr. K Basantana phonokibada Ministry of Ayush na November 35 bu Naturopathy Day haina kumja lisinga sumna 35 dagi lepaksigi mafam kaya da pangthokpa hauke handaki asina ahomlak suba oina pangthokpani sahi ki oina Nurturing Vitality through Naturopathy haiba wakalo nasida numithumni sumna pangthokadaba thoramni miyamna yoga Nature Cure amadi ayush ki layeng pathap ki kanaba lawinamasu honabiu haiki ngasigi thoram aduda Jan Andolon on COVID-19 pandemic appropriate haiba hiram asida Dr. P Bandana BNYS Ayush for Immunity for Campaign haiba hiramda Dr. TH Punima Devi BNYS amadi Vitality through Nature Cure and Yoga haiba hiramda Dr. L Ganthoi BNYS na Marik Zumbo wafam kaya thamduna hojik oiriba COVID-19 pandemic manung asida Ayush amadi Nature Cure and Yoga na ngakthoknabagi araiba pambaising matangda miyamda wakal tahanki ngasigi throm aduga mari lenana yoga instructor K Sudhir gilamjing makhada yoga and meditation ki class amasu sathaduna Nature Cure and Yoga ki awareness su pangthoke jati ki mapa Mahatma Gandhi ki sahi samga yankai suba mapo kumonga mari lenana Kha Manipur Yoga and Nature Cure Association Kaksing Nature Cure and Yoga Hospital Kongba amade Ayush Care Wellness Center Sagolban Imphal nasu thormasi tongan tonganba Manipuri maham sing dasu pangthoknake The Center for Women and Girls CWG na Ecological Rights of Children haiba teamda ngasi Tengnoupal District ki Cornerstone Academy Lunajang the Global Action Month 2020 thoram pangthokre thoromduda CWC ki Secretary Hexin Haukip na keynote address piriduna haikibada English singani ga sumna train pandagi CWG na angang singamadi hawalak leba naha singa loinana ecological rights of children highlight tawduna thoramasi pangthoktuna lakli sahi sigi oina Tengnoupal District ki tongan tongan ba village singdagi angang amasung hawalak leba naha samromna thoramsida saruk yari haike thoramgi saruk ama oina pangthokiba there is no planet B safe fresh water change the system not the climate we need a safe environment a planet fit for children we need more oxygen plant more trees haiba hiram singda pangthokiba slogan writing ki session da nupa masa amasung nupi masa puna trate na saruk yake ecological rights of children haiba team da pangthokiba drawing session da angang kulhum doina saruk yake thorom da quiz session amasu pangthoki loinana climate crisis and the ecological rights of children imatang da documentary film amsu utke registration of electors rule 1960 gi matung ina sem sarba 36 AC wagwai amadi 37 kaksing AC gi electoral roll sing assistant electoral registration officer SDC kaksing dagi office order phanglagani haina SDO kaksing electoral registration officer 36 wagwai amasung 37 kaksing ACM Kapajit na thadrok pasel lamar khangalagli electoral roll sing asi awar pa hapsin ba masung asobe sing semdok na bagi qualifying date na mathang sahi gi January tang amani December tang 2020 fawgi manungda form 6 7 8 natraga 8A da hapsin ba amadi lawthokning sing pesin ba yagan haina su seros na makha tari thangna Nitish Kumar bu Bihar gi Chief Minister oina ngasi mairek su oina wasak lawkhre BJP gi Tarkishore Prasad amasung Renu Devi buna Deputy Chief Minister sing oina wasak lahon ki ngasi wasak lawgi tharamda Union Home Minister Amit Shah su saru yakhe sit chani ga nifum noi leiba Bihar Assembly Mikhalda NDA na sit chama ga kunma phangkibani nomajing mita pangthokiba NDA legislators singi meeting da Nitish Kumar bu yetnaba leitana lusingba khankibani handaki Mikhal sida BJP na sit humra ga mari phangki Nitish Kumar gi Janata Dal United na sit nifum doi phangki sahi trangwa gi Nitish Kumar gi lengak da Deputy CM oikiba BJP leader Sushil Kumar Modi handakti minister oiba yaukidre mahak Union Minister ama oiba yai hairi opposition gi Grand Alliance ki lusingba oiriba RJD gi Tajeswari Yadav na Mikhal manungda Nitish Kumar bu phajana sidhaduna ngangkibani ngasigi wasak lawgi tharam aduda RJD yaukide NDA gi campaign da maru oina thamkiba wafam singdi state aduda marirak vote khomba lakiba Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi wangangna ayamba oiki hairi Delhi da COVID-19 laisat ki maton dom khravani na anova iho ama laklabasu lockdown toroi haina State Health Minister Satyendra Jain phongdokre kaithel sing thingjinuna thambagi matang da hangmagi wahangi paphum oina mahang haikibada madugi matang da di khanbu khanadri Diwali festival loikibada ngairi misu hojikti tak labani adum oinamak miyamna marks upadi laithokpa yadri lockdown dagi aikhoi paradi phahorabani marks upana yamna kanaba phangi haibasi miyamna ikhang khangnarbani nungtigi miyoi lising tret ki changda positive oikibadu thangjadadi positive ki case masing lising hom ga chani kuntrama khaktamak oiki September thadagi test tawbagi chang asi nomada lising kumna thoiga subna mawdrag nipan oirakli numit humni gi mamangdagi test tawgi chang asi lising hum oirakli hairi winter lakpadadi Delhi da positive case ki masing nomada lising trama dagi tardaba yai hainasu mahang phongdokki Bharat Biotech na develop toba COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin humsuwa phase gi trial sangsile haina Bharat Biotech ki chairman amasung managing director Krishna Ilana haikre Indian School of Business na sinba thoram amada Ilana makhata na haikibada maki company asina COVID-19 ki vaccine ama nasal drops oina puthoknaba thabuk chathari amadi mathangi saida puthoknaba su thorang tori haiki Biosafety level 3 puthoknabagi facility leiba vaccine company asi prithivida Bharat Biotech khaktani hairi hojik aroibada maroi pawon pijari Manipur gi wangbudasu niwal sakhobagi thoram pangthoknakhre National Press Day 2020 pangthokre Manipur State Journalist Award 2020 journalist nipanda lanthokre loidana Nitish Kumar Bihar gi Chief Minister oina wasak lawkre Ngasigidi parum sanuk saba matang sulojile nyambu amukhana kurumjai